Man, I never come to call him back to here, some wicked thing like that. Like you want to fight. Wagwan sports fans, welcome down. Show them how they lad. Show them how they bro. Yeah, push me. Show them how they man. Yeah, push me. Yeah, the man. Bro, show them how they. Bro, show them how they man. You National Stadium with it. Where they? Lie. Welcome back to the Side of Sports TV. The place you guys come to get the best, most interesting and riveting sports topics, discussions, and debates on the internet.
Yes, but before we get into today's video, don't forget to like this one. Leave a comment under the video and subscribe to this or that Sports TV. Is it? Do one more thing though.
Like, shit. You're a good dog.
You're a good bitch.
You're good bro. Come again, dog.
And do one more thing for me, please.
Share the video to at least 10 people, but ensure to get us 6 subscribers, because if you guys can do that, you know how many subscribers that'll get us? By the end of the day.
Relax, my brother.
Man, never take everything them so dog. Man, I never come to call him back to here, some wicked thing like that. Like you want to fight, but I fight him on. No, you want bro.
Hey, people just watching it. Hey, me I tell him now. People, me I tell him now party, you know. I tell you that's straight, a good content, I like.
Hey, just how you push it down so you know, move, you know, sir.
I don't lie. People, what would they do? Dog? We're going to watch the
Independence Park.
Yeah?
You know, we're going to head into the National Stadium to watch the Reggae Girls. Jamaica and Paraguay again. You know, bro, it's good to be back in the National Stadium watching national team football, man.
That's true. Always a good feeling. You see the fans, the spectators are rolling. So we like that.
Hey, remember, you know, a competition, catching our versus stadium. Who will bring out more fans?
And we're going to tell you, people, we're going to tell you, so. Now watch my face, is it? We're there, go and watch. So you're here with a Reggae Girl supporter. First of all, give me your name. Introduce yourself to the people.
Well, my name is Kashif Ailes.
Alright. Did you watch the last game versus Paraguay in Montego Bay?
No, I just watched the score.
Alright. How do you feel about the Reggae Girls, getting a last minute win over Paraguay?
Well, the win is important, so the win.
Alright. How do you feel about today's game?
Today, well, I expect better.
Yeah. Alright, the Reggae Girls are into the World Cup. How do you expect the Reggae Girls to perform in the World Cup in 2023?
Well, just their best. So, like, when they do their best, I mean, we Jamaica will feel proud about that. Just their best.
Alright, who's your favorite Reggae Girl out there?
Say then number 11.
Kenny Jasha.
You see it.
What you can expect from her today?
Well, I always want her to give it like a hat trick. You see it.
Alright, look out for your hat trick, people. Look out for your hat trick.
we're here with some big Reggae Girls fans, you know.
Yes.
How does it feel to be back at the stadium watching Reggae Girls?
Oh, it's awesome. It's an awesome feeling. It's really good to be back here enjoying the match. I'm sure we are going to win this game. Congrats already, Jamaica.
Alright, so before even asking you about your thoughts on the game, give us one message that you would send to the Reggae Girls.
I would say to them just win and continue winning.
And how do you feel about the Reggae Girls qualifying for yet another World Cup, 2 in a row?
Oh my God, this thing has been long time coming. And to be here, to be a part of this whole preparation for that, is just an awesome feeling.
Which team do you prefer, the Reggae Girls or the Reggae Boys?
The Reggae Girls, of course.
Alright, so let me talk to you. What are you expecting from today's game?
Well, I expect only greatness from the Reggae Girls, a win also, and to gain experience because I am also a footballer.
You're also a footballer, so who's your favorite player in the Reggae Girls?
I'm the one, none of them.
Who's your favorite player?
Kanya Plummer, actually a past student of Teachfield High. I coached her back in the day. So it's good to have her, seeing her back in the game again.
So the actual captain of the team.
Captain of the team.
Do you want to see her return her armband?
Oh my God, I can't wait to see it.
Alright, so what is scoreline you're expecting from today's game?
5-0.
5-0 Jamaica. Did you watch the last game?
Yes, we watched the last game. It was only a 1-0, but I'm expecting at least a 2-0 today.
Alright, you hear that, people? You're expecting at least a 2-0 today.
We're here with a Reggae Girls fan. Introduce yourself real quick. Many people them know who we are talking to.
Yeah man, we feel good about them man. Want them give them 3 love tonight.
3 love we are predict.
Yeah,
And who are your favorite Reggae girl out there?
Well,
Give me a number.
number 11.
Khadija Shah.
Yeah.
How much goal do you expect from Khadija Shah today?
Or 3 goal.
Alright, and send a message real quick to the Reggae Girls because they're going to see this. So tell them something.
Yes, Reggae Girls, we enjoy watching play the game and would like to see you do a very much beautiful game tonight.
Alright, thank you for talking to us.
Ladies and gentlemen, we started at the 2022 Digital Rights Power on this Susan will sing the Jamaican anthem. The Reggae Girls Foundation, this one corporation, Jamaica Constitutional Force, Jamaica Fighting Game, replacing that number 3, Diane Thompson, number 19.
Ryan, come on,
Good fuck that. Good fuck that. Then take off 25.
Anyways, people, second half just start. We're 2-0 down. We don't look great at all. We have make too much mistakes and it's costing us. So.
Reggie, we start at 7.
Let's not, man. We have make some mistakes and that cost us. So hopefully the girls can pick it up in the second half and we can win this game 4-2, isn't it? So, what you say, Jay?
You tell me nothing to say, man.
Say something else, man.
No, man, I can't have nothing else to say.
Alright, if not nothing else to say, you know it, pre.
Kill it.
You not score yet?
Your owner, Martinez, replaced
In the box wins. When you defend well in the box, and you score goal in and around the box, wins the game. You know, in midfield, you can score it up, but in and around the box, that's where you win the game.
Go.
Back there.
You ready? Yeah.
I do believe that as it currently stands, is our best centre-back pairing, and I do really think that the team improved.
Judge you to dog. Hold on the people, we'll get some light. We'll get some light. Light bulb over here, so we'll find a light. We'll find the nearest light bulb people. That look better. People, we apologize. You know, we had something that we didn't expect today. The JFF kind of switched it up and we had a press conference instead of individual interviews. So we had to work around that. I know you guys expected to see a lot of interviews tonight or yesterday. I didn't see that, so just giving you guys some insight into that, bro. What do you feel about the day?
Disappointed, of course. You know, the Reggae Girls lost, so I'm not very happy. You know what? I wore my Reggae Girls shirt. This is not a Reggae Boy shirt, by the way. This is a Reggae Girls. I'm just saying. Yes, I wore my Reggae Girls shirt and we lost, bro. You know, football analysis aside, you know, as a fan, you want to see a team win all the time. You know, these Reggae Girls have made me accustomed to winning.
Yeah,
you know, and
seen a lot of goals too.
And then to lose today, you know, it's really gutting.